My dear friends, today, finally, I'm coming back to my most beautiful project, Alfa Romeo Spider. It has been a long time since I was working on it. And you know, the thing is that to finish sometimes long projects is very difficult, because usually you're stuck on a small details that requires a lot of attention and time, and sometimes also to search for the specific small part and so on. It's not easy, but you know, with a passion, dedication, you know, you can do everything. So in general, if you haven't seen my video about this project, you can see here a link, Alfa Romeo Spider project, where I talk about how I did that car. Not did yet, not finished, but soon gonna be, with a lot of details. And for me left not so much to finish. One of the things what I'm doing today, and I want to share with you, I'm changing the radiator, because previous one, original one, I wanted to leave it and try to restore and so on, but finally, you know, when I check it out now this spring, it's already was, you know, corrosion was so bad that it's rusted out, you know, and finally I took a decision to buy a new one. I ordered it, like most of the parts, from the classic Alfa, and I will put on a description part of this video about the parts that you will see in this video. And the radiator change is straightforward process. You know, radiator has two main bolts, you know, that it holds it. Also, you need to put some kind of small rubber stuff that, you know, to avoid stuff against vibration and so on, and one gasket on the bottom of the radiator. And as you can see now, the installation is, as I said, it's pretty much easy. Also, radiator needs to have a plastic cover for the fan and so on. But you know, just put, take out, you know, spend half an hour, find the right necessary bolts, and then, you know, you can do this installation. And as you can see, my engine bay is getting better and better in terms of view, in terms of look. I'm really happy. It's beautiful car, and the engine restoration completely new. The engine is new, and most of the parts surrounding the engine I also restored, cleaned. Some parts was used by aqua blasting, cleaned, and so on. So we are getting close to the final date and so on. So, and also I have another important part to change. My next part, one of the most important that I will do now, I will install the distributor, the new distributor. You know, and the idea is, this is 123 Ignition. This is a company from Holland. They do these nice distributors, and you know, the best thing is that you can program them. They already have the pre-programmed ignition curves, timing. Also, it has a Bluetooth module. I like this stuff with this, you know, kind of Bluetooth stuff for the old cars. By the way, if you have an old vintage radio in your car, you have to know that you can install the Bluetooth module, and you know, you can use your smartphone to play your favorite music. And if you want to find out more, here is the link about the Bluetooth modules that you can buy from me for vintage radios. So please watch and text me, write me if you're interested. So coming back to this 1, 2, 3 ignition distributor with Bluetooth. The reason why I'm changing it, because in my Alfa Romeo Spider I have this kind of rear American version, Spica version, with a mechanical fuel injection. And for my version was a special one, duplex. So it called duplex distributor, and it was heavily damaged. And I really was trying to find the parts or repair or buy and so on, so on. It was very difficult, very expensive and so on, because it was some kind of innovation in latest 60s by Magneti Marelli to produce the distributor that had a special block attached to it, and there was a possibility to have 2 ignition curves, different ones, with adjusted timing, you know. So they used them on racing cars, they used them on Fiat Dino with Ferrari engine, they used that on these Alfa Romeo Spica versions and other racing cars. And it worked quite well, because, you know, all the previous distributors had only, you know, one like ignition timing diagram with its just, you know, with a potential curve that going just like one direction with a spring attached. That's it. And when they made a duplex distributor, they had with advanced differences and so on. It was a big advantage. And this one gives you much more options and other stuff. They also have some kind of features, special ones, that it's anti-theft, you know, you can control from your phone, you know, that nobody can start the engine without you, so it's a kind of security. Also monitor, you know, from the phone, RPM, temperatures, other stuff, and so on. So it's very interesting. We will see how it goes. And also I will put on a description part of this video the link where you can buy this one. You know, I think for the classic car is one of the best modifications to change the ignition system, the possibility to control it. So let's see how it goes. I will try to install that, so please enjoy. My friends, I hope you liked my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, you know, because I promised you in nearest future to show you more interesting projects that I am working on or will work, and so on. Lots of things going on. I buy more cars, I make more cars, you know, and I'm really enjoying doing that. So, like always, you know, I'm sending you warmest greetings from Vilnius, and let's stay in touch, enjoy your life, and see you next time. Bye!